To my channel. So I'm back with another balloon tutorial. So let's get started. So you need some balloons of different sizes. I have double stuffed my pink balloon with black balloon. You can see how it looks without and with. So it's totally optional, like if you want to double stuff you can. Here I am inflating 12-inch navy blue balloon. If you got different sizes you can use that. So you need to inflate into different sizes and then make duplet like this, and after that you make quad. Here I'm making quad by twisting both duplets together like so. You need to repeat the same step and make more quad like this and make other colors as well. I'm showing you how you can make one balloon duplet. So you need 5-inch balloon, or you can do the same step with a 10-inch or 12-inch if you don't have 5-inch. So that's how I'm making duplet and then making quad. If you're doing for the first time, it will take time because it needs practice. You can also use your 5-inch quad, that's not the problem. You can assemble your all quad with either ribbon or fishing line or 260Q balloon. I'm using 260Q balloon here. So tie the neck of cord with 260Q balloon and grab another cord, and you just need to wrap it like 8 figure. So you are basically doing wrapping 260Q balloon around the neck of new pair and then old pair, and pull it in the center. Just got to repeat the same step and assemble all the cords. Garland gonna be 6 feet tall. If you want more tall garland, so you need to add more cord. And stretch 260Q balloon, you just tie there and then add another one. If you want, like this step is bothering you, you can totally skip and use fishing line, or you can use ribbon. I'm tying ribbon to hang it, and if you got fishing line, I totally recommend fishing line because it won't show up. I'm tying those ribbon to my floor lamp like this. You can also stick those ribbon with sellotape. To make it more secure, you can use balloon weight, water weight like this, and I hide it there and I will fill later on, it won't show up. The base is done and I'm using some filler balloons. So I make use of 18-inch and 10-inch balloon, and I'm using 260Q balloon to attach on the top. For the bottom, I made 10-inch quad and then attached to 18-inch balloon with 260Q balloon, and then wrap it on the bottom. I'm using my 5-inch cord and attached with the 260 cube balloon like this, and you simply need to wrap it like so, and you can use wherever you want, wherever you think is look good. You can also use glue dot to stick those balloons. So the same step I'm repeating. I'm making the filler balloons and putting it wherever I like. So that's how it looked after filling the gaps. Guys, I hope you like my video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question, please comment in the comment box below.